Good morning, Lacel.
Great morning, Francis. So our topic for today, as part of our remedial law review, Rule 114 is bail. So do you have some questions for me for today?
Yeah, you probably have heard yung rape case against Vhong Navarro na reopen. So there are several questions coming in to Facebook, even TikTok. So trending topic siya ngayon. Why daw Vhong was allowed to post bail? They're claiming kasi, sabi daw, that rape, in this case, diba, parang alleged rape is a non-bailable offense. So can you clarify? So what is bail nga ba in the first place? And why was Wong allowed to post bail?
Okay, ang daming questions agad-agad. Sige, siguro sagutin ko
Ikaw
muna
muna,
yung
what is
first
bail?
question, yes, na what is bail? So in Tagalog, piyansa 'to 'no, piyansa. So ano nga ba yung pagpapiyansa? So it has actually basis naman sa batas natin. So Rule 114, bail. Bail actually is the security given for the release of a person in custody of the law, furnished by him or a bondsman to guarantee his appearance before any court as required under the conditions hereinafter specified. Bail may be given in the form of corporate surety, property bond, cash deposit, or recognizance. So, ito yung pagpapiyansa nga na kailangan na maibigay para makalaya ka. Release of the person in custody of the law. May ano din tayo diyan, constitutional provision on bail. So sabi sa 1987 Constitution natin, Article 3, Section 13, all persons except those charged with offenses punishable by reclusion perpetua, when evidence of guilt is strong, shall before conviction be bailable by sufficient sureties or be released on recognizance as may be provided by law. The right to bail shall not be impaired even when the privilege of the writ of habeas corpus is suspended. Excessive bail shall not be required. So yun yung constitutional basis natin ng bail. So ibig sabihin, lahat daw ng tao pwede naman mag-bail except dun sa mga nagkasala or with offenses na punishable by reclusion perpetua. Yung reclusion perpetua sa revised penal code natin, ano yan, 20 years and 1 day to 40 years imprisonment. Tas may mga kaakibat pa yan ng mga accessory penalties. So, in this case, rape yung na-commit ni Vhong. So, reclusion perpetua. Bakit siya pinayagan? Ang tanong ngayon is bakit siya pinayagan ng korte na mag-file ng bail? When in fact it is punishable by reclusion perpetua. 'Di ba? Ang case ng rape ay nasa Article 335 siya ng Revised Penal Code, although amended siya ng RA 8353 or Anti-Rape Law of 1997, reclusion perpetua pa rin naman yung, ah, penalty sa kanya. Pero yun nga, the main question is bakit siya pinayagan? May ano ka ba, may hula ka ba, friends?
Doon kasi sa sinabi mo parang sabi sa Constitution ano yun, everyone is entitled to bail daw.
Hmm.
Except kung reclusion perpetua. Pero may phrase doon na something about evidence not being strong.
Yes. So dito kasi, 'di ba, prosecution must establish that the evidence of guilt is strong. So dun sa hearing ng application for bail filed by a person who is in custody for the commission of an offense punishable by death, reclusion perpetua, or life imprisonment, the prosecution has the burden of showing that evidence of guilt is strong. So si prosecution kailangan niyang ma-establish na yung guilt ni Vhong was strong. Eh, kaso 'di ba sabi sa balita, there were inconsistencies and it appears na very weak. Kaya binayagang mag-bail si Vhong ng 1 million.
Hmm.
So, yun. So just to add, the evidence presented during the bail hearing shall be considered automatically reproduced at the trial, but upon motion of either party, the call may recall any witness for additional examination unless the latter is dead, outside the Philippines, or otherwise unable to testify. So, siguro kailangang ma-establish talaga ng prosecution na lahat ng evidence na may present niya should be strong because the burden of proof or yung pagpo-prove na may kasalanan or ni-rape talaga ni Vhong si Denise would be at the, um, prosecution, hindi kay Vhong. Ayun.
Ibig
So,
sabihin ba nun, mananalo si Vhong kasi nakapagpiyansa siya, eh. So, ibig sabihin parang mahina pala yung kaso ni ano, ni
there's still
Denise.
no guarantee that Vhong will be acquitted because kasi idadaan siya sa trial pa rin. It would undergo full-blown trial. The case is sensational. So I think tama lang yung ginawa ng lawyer ni Vhong na ano, kasi 'di ba suffering in the jail waiting for the final judgment of the court for 3 to 10 years na habang naghihintay ka sa final judgment, 'di ba? So kawawa naman si Vhong. So I think if the evidence talaga is weak or the prosecution's evidence is insufficient, I think Vhong has really the right to post bail. Ayun. Ano pa yung ibang questions mo? Ang dami mo kasi sinunod-sunod mo agad, eh.
Eh, why was he allowed to post bail, 'di ba? So, nasagot mo na yun.
Mm.
Ah, and then siguro ano yung ano, may mga restrictions ba kapag may bail, gano'n?
Bawal siya
Hindi puwedeng
mag-travel
gawin.
outside the Philippines. So, hindi siya puwede travel outside the Philippines. So here, the no bail shall be allowed after the judgment of conviction has become final. Ay wait, iba pa 'to. Restrictions, one of the restrictions ayun, bawal siyang umalis sa Pinas without the consent of the court.
Okey.
Kasi he's just enjoying, professional liberty.
Hmm,
Ayun. May iba ka pa bang question about bail?
what
Basta
if
okey, ano?
ano pa ba?
Sige, habang nag-iisip ka, so let me just summarize. So,
Sige, go.
basta general rule, allowed yung bail to all persons. Exception, kapag, yung offense mo is explicitly not bailable because the law explicitly provides. So here, no person charged with a capital offense or an offense punishable by reclusion perpetua or life imprisonment shall be admitted to bail when evidence of guilt is strong, regardless of the stage of the criminal prosecution. So reclusion perpetua, life imprisonment, and then kasama yon. Kapag yung evidence of guilt is strong. So therefore, if it's weak, pwede pa ring mag-bail. Ayun, so kahit na nga yung rape is, penalized ng reclusion perpetua, pinayagan pa rin siya ng judge because of the inconsistencies that they found during the ano, trial for bail application
Okey,
or hearing. So, we're good?
alright. So, halimbawa magbabakasyon 'to si Vhong Navarro abroad, kailangan niya munang secure ng ano, permit from the court. Kasi parang nabasa ko, 'di
Oo.
ba, when
Dapat
you're
may
under
permission of the court where the case is pending. So, kung sa RTC Taguig 'to, hingi siya ng ano, permission sa court.
Taguig. Kasi nabasa ko kanina sabi niya parang when you're under bail, you are under legal custody.
Mm.
Okey,
So, sa branch 69 siya ngayon dun sa RTC Taguig. Magfa-file if he wants to travel outside Philippines. So, discretion na yun ni judge kung papayagan siya o hindi.
alrighty. Thank you for answering the questions.
Thank you also for asking. It really helps din sa pagre-review ko 'no. So, thank you guys also for watching. See you again to our next